Okay.
Crackin' packs! We're back. David Adams had a big sale, so I bought a bunch of stuff. Hoping to get some good hits, some 2013s, 2014, 16, 17. But in 2013, I'm hoping to get some Le'Veon Bells. So,
or Mike Lennon, you know, Cordero Patterson. Just as comparable.
So let's get to cracking. Right off the bat.
Ooh, what do we have?
Is a numbered Manti Te'o's girlfriend, and that's numbered a lot. I thought that was an auto because it was backwards.
Manti Te'o's.
Is that Todd Gurley? Oh, ooh, Tyrann Mathieu, Honey Badger, numbered to 25. That's pretty good.
I'll take it.
I would take that auto right there. Some Honey Badger. Brett Favre, $9.99, and he called it. It's a nice
Cordero.
patch. Number to 49. It's a nice little patch though. It's gonna blow up for the Raiders this year.
You better hope so.
Okay, better hope so. We got a
Richard
red
Sherman
to 250.
Okay, where's the Tavon Austin?
Oh, then we got the nice Aaron Dobson out of 25.
It's 2017 right now. Just got cut by the Cardinals. Might be able to sell that to Jacob. Big Aaron Dobson.
Tavon Austin.
There it is.
$9.99.
Now you just need the Mike Glennon to fill out the roster.
Ooh.
Eagles, what do we got?
Big old Deshaun Jackson patch.
All right.
27 out of 49. That's pretty good.
All right, all right. At number 49.
And that's cool that they're both patches. On the,
That's a two-color, too.
yeah. Oh, and we're going with the Ram.
Robert Woods. Who's that?
Dustin Keller to 250.
Working at a car wash.
And this should be an auto here. Should put it up on eBay. But this is going to be my Le'Veon.
Oh, what do we got?
Marquise Wilson, $9.99. The autos weren't good, but had some good rookies and some nice patch. Pretty good. Good
All
stuff. Right. And just so you know, you get David Wilson that cost me in fantasy and Colin Kaepernick. There we go.
See you next time.